Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kirby and this is a day in the life of a mobile mechanic. Right, so today we've got this Honda Civic in, and the bonnet isn't opening. So it was back here a couple of weeks ago, and cable's knackered. I think the latch itself is actually seized. And full disclaimer, so we've got another light unit here. The customer has actually gone online and seen videos of people breaking this front light to get into it, or there's another way of taking quite a bit off on the wheel arch there, so but then you still wouldn't be able to get to the latch. So we've got full permission to vandalize this car. So what we're going to try and do, we're going to try and break in here, maybe cut out the light, so then if we get in this back part we might be able to get to the latch. So what I'm going to do is just try and make sure there's enough of a gap, or a bit more of a gap, between the bonnet and the light. And actually before, when I came, I didn't want to pump this up too much in case I broke this light, but now it doesn't matter. Just looking through that, still might be quite difficult. Go from there. I can't believe I'm doing this. Voila. Okay. This is so much fun. Oh dear. Right, we are at this stage now, and we can see the catch and the cables just about. So we're going to try and we've sprayed some WD-40 in there, so we're just going to try and see maybe if we can get on the cable. Yeah, still not a lot of space there. Right, we've got the Dremel out now because we can see the lock, but there's a plastic piece that runs over here, and it's just covering the bolt holes at the top for two 10mm. So if we can get to that, say hello to my little friend. Right, we can now get to two of the 10mm. That one there, we'll get to that one just in there. Don't know if you can see that, and then there's just one above it, so we've just got to cut this plastic bit away, and then hopefully we'll get that out. Right, we can see all three of these 10mm now. So once I've undone them, hopefully the bonnet should come up. Cut the cable. this shit is still attached. Ta-da! So you can see the cable was all frayed, and then this was just sticking, so that's going in the bin. We've just got to put the new cable in, which runs all under here, and hopefully maybe take the wing off, possibly. It looks like it goes beyond there. We'll have a look. Right, so cable comes through there, runs along there, so we've got to take this washer bottle out as well. I hope we don't have to take the wing off to get that out, and then hopefully we'll see a hole just through here where it goes through. Well, no, this is where we lose it. It just goes into the body there. So from there down to there, roughly, gonna have to try and fish it out. Right, so from inside, we're gonna have to take this panel off here and Kirby's top tip. Always look at the new parts you're fitting, just to see what fixings they have and how they come apart. So I think once we've got that cover off, we might be able to just slide this out, or we might even be able to get in there and just undo one bolt and then slip it off this side. Right, cover just pops off, to be honest, and then like I said, there's a 10mm there. Obviously the cable's already disconnected, and we should be able to, oh, it's a bit tight. So what I'm gonna do is attach the new cable to this side and pull it out that way. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Right, there we go, tightly wrapped. Let's see if that comes out now. It's got to come out this way. Right, new catches in, new cable, so we're just going to test that out now. Right, that was quite difficult to get down, but that's there. We'll come in, pull on the handle, and it's delatched now. We'll try it with the bonnet. Right, we'll close that. Sorted. That beautiful little van. Get off my patch! Look at him stealing my work on my patch. All the nice creamy jobs.
My hair looking. Why are you filming me when I got? You alright, guys? No pollen filters today.
No pollen filters. What have we got on today, mate?
DPF clean.
Oh, look at
Two
that.
oil changes.
Oh, look at this.
It's about to start frothing, isn't it?
Professional.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got you a present actually.
Oh, wait, what are you using them?
You carry on.
Are you using my present?
Carry on pumping.
Oh, look, doing his work for him. What's he got in the back there for me? Oh, look at that. Woohoo!
Wasn't it?
Nice. God, look how he's treating the old girl. Look at it. Oh no!
He don't want to go in the back.
Oh, the state of it. Look at it.
You know what that is?
I'm never lending my van to this guy again.
Don't be like that. No, I'm going to tidy up. Look.
Oh, he's going to tidy up.
That's after getting all the engine and that. I had to throw it all in, didn't I? But...
Oh, look, we just emptied some oil all over your back of your van, mate.
No, look, it's lubricated. It will never run.
Rust prevention.
That's it.
Right, if I see you on my patch again, mate, it's on site. Right, up next we have got this Transporter T6, and we've got some glow plugs to do, which is buried underneath all of this stuff here. So this is your charge cooler. It's got a little bracket there, a few pipes to come off. I think the fuel rail might come off, and then we've also got a leaking pipe back here, little corrugated pipe back there. It's got a little pinprick hole in it, so we've got to replace that as well. There is a video, I'll leave it in the top corner here, of me doing a step-by-step of these glow plugs if you want to know. But yeah, let's just get cracking. Right, this is the stage I'm at now. Everything's off. Connectors for the glow plugs are off. Of course the phone goes when I start filming. Right, where was I? So yeah, I've got the connectors off. I'm just going to blow out all the holes because there's loads of dirt in there, and then I'll soak it full of some penetrating fluid, and hopefully they'll come out nicely. There we go. Probably go all over my face now, don't I? Lovely. Number one's coming out nice and easily. Happy days. Cylinder one was the faulty one as well. Number two, let's see if that one cracks off as well. It's a bit tighter. She's coming. It's going to be a case of righty tighty, lefty loosey for a little bit. Might let that one sit a little bit longer. Cylinder 3 coming out nicely. There we go, cylinder 3 has a pressure sensor on it as well, so these ones are quite expensive. Right, new glow plugs are in. We've just put a bit of ceramic grease just on these threads here, just so for the next time they come out they are even easier to get out. But if you look at this glow plug here, it's taken a couple of threads off the actual glow plug, but that was in number cylinder 2, but it is threading in nicely, so we'll torque it up and then should all be good. Right, that's it all back together. Everything's in its place, everything's routed properly. We'll test it afterwards, just make sure it all starts. But now we've got to move on to doing this pipe, this little EGR pipe around the back there, little corrugated one. Not much space to get my arm in there. Right, that's the pipe out. Go in there. And I'll just show you this corrugated pipe has just split. So you can see all that black mark in there. Right, I'll exaggerate this crack. Right, I've just bent that up a bit, so you can see that. You can just see my orange glove through the hole there. And this is the new updated pipe, apparently. Got new gaskets on there. Right, we are done. New pipe installed. and that is me done for the day. I would say done for the week, but we are working a Saturday tomorrow. But it's been a better day today. Everything's been fairly easy, fairly chill. I've just got to get this started, so shouldn't speak too soon. If you've enjoyed it today, comment, like and subscribe. Really helps.